Hi friends, and welcome to already the last day of introductions for this release. Today we are introducing May Your Days and its coordinating creative cuts. We are also introducing Classic Card Quads creative cuts. Let's take a look at the images first. I added from yesterday's release the basket as well as the flowers. The other 4 images are included in the May Your Days stamp set. And today I will be showing you how I color the array of Easter chocolates. I will try to add all the Copic color numbers I show for the coloring in this video, but I used so many markers on all the images all together that if there is anything that I don't list that you really want to know or that you can't see me which marker I'm using in the video, please ask. Lastly, I add my signature white gel pen accents. And that finishes my coloring for today. Now let's take a look at the classic card quads creative cuts. This set comes with 4 styles of classic card quads. If you take one of these 4 card quads and you cut it out 4 times, you will be able to cover up an entire standard sized card base with them. Furthermore, the set comes with 3 sentiments in a scripty font, as well as with a sweet little heart. I'm taking a standard sized card base and I'm lining it with a piece of patterned paper. I cut out one of the styles of the card quads and I used 2 different colors of cardstock for this. I place my panels on my card and I'm gluing them down one by one to make sure I place them perfectly aligned. Once everything is in place, we can start decorating our 4 panels. I cut 2 of the sentiments, the high and the heart, from both a pink as well as a white cardstock, and I overlaid them. Next, I'm adding my images. I'm using these sunflowers from the May Your Days stamp set, as well as the chocolate array that I colored for this video. The other images I'm using are from the Basket of Goodies set. And that finishes my card for today. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and leave a comment below for a chance to win a prize from Mama Elephant. This release is available from the 15th of February, and I will see you for the next release in March. Bye!